In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a no see-through transparent material in Blender. I have created a simple scene with a teapot with a ground plane. This is how we would normally create a transparent material. I have used a mix shader along with the transparent and diffuse nodes. If I decrease the factor value, we'll see the transparent effect, but we'll also see through other objects. There are a number of ways to prevent the see-through issue, and I'll show you the transparent depth method shortly. I have upgraded the nodes like this. Now we have one more mix shader, and I have also added one more transparent node. We can control the transparency better this way, but we can still see through, and that's not good. This is the transparent depth method. By using this set of nodes, we can finally avoid the see-through issue. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.